Hello and welcome to another insightful video. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to explore the significant shift from reactive to preventive maintenance in the world of enterprise software. We will uncover why increasing reliability is a key factor in this shift and walk you through some crucial points to keep in check along the way. We will also discuss how catching events before they happen and executing corrective action promptly can lead to improved reliability. Let's get started. Moving from reactive to preventive maintenance can sound intimidating, but it's not an impossible feat. We'll dive into why improving maintenance systems by shifting to a preventive strategy is all about increasing reliability. Reactive maintenance and high failure rates contribute to a lack of reliability, but simply adopting preventive maintenance isn't a silver bullet to reliability. It starts with understanding how failures occur, setting the stage for how a preventive strategy can be beneficial. In our imperfect world full of defects, the next best thing to completely eradicating these defects is to reduce the number entering your system faster than you're adding them. This prepares you to improve your reliability. Here are 5 crucial points to keep in check. Focus on defect elimination, remediate the causes of defects, do jobs correctly the first time, reduce incidents of careless work habits, and buy the right equipment for the job. Now, how do we achieve reliability? By catching events before they happen through diligent corrective maintenance. This means detecting problems by inspections before failure even occurs, preventing defects that are just about to fail, and executing corrective action promptly. Let's explore 3 big ways preventive maintenance can help you. First, it extends the life of an asset through straightforward routines like tightening bolts, lubrication, and cleaning. Second, it involves inspection to detect deterioration problems early on. And third, it enables short repair times, where defects can be quickly and effectively addressed. Virtually all preventive maintenance systems work in a cycle, typically resembling this pattern. Start with a PM task list, follow up with inspection procedures, then write up a corrective work order. Next, plan, schedule, and execute the jobs listed in the work order, and finally, await the next task list run. Facing up to the sins of the past is crucial. Maintenance personnel, who are down in the trenches, see the reality of everyday operations and hold priceless insights about the history of machinery. Part of a preventive maintenance strategy is to detect and report problems to keep equipment in tip-top condition. Understanding the types of defects that can sneak up on you is essential. These include defects in raw materials from operation or mishandling of equipment, craftsmanship issues, faulty spares, and design flaws. Employing a precision maintenance culture helps keep these defects from appearing in your operations. If you're apprehensive about jumping from reactive to preventive maintenance, start by dedicating some of your free time to getting rid of defects. Record your successes and present them to management to gain support. When it comes to corrective maintenance, perform it as soon as you detect a defect if your environment allows. If operating in multiple locations, try to standardize your equipment as much as possible to prepare more efficiently. In conclusion, preventive maintenance is part of a broader effort to reduce defects, keep them out, and ultimately increase your overall reliability. Companies that have embraced reactive maintenance might find it hard to move towards a more proactive approach, but understanding how a PM strategy works and considering its benefits can go a long way to achieve reliability. Thank you for joining us today. We've covered the shift from reactive to preventive maintenance, the importance of increasing reliability, and the key points to consider in your maintenance strategy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about our tools and resources, visit us at upkeep.com. Remember, increasing reliability and efficiency is a journey, and UpKeep is here to guide you every step of the way.